Another month is over, so it's time to see which side hustles actually made me money and which ones didn't earn a single cent. Every month I track every euro I make from my side hustles. Some keep growing, some surprise me, and some, well, made exactly 2 euros and 30 cents this month. Let's dive into June's results. June was another solid month. Across all my side hustles, I made 550 euros, while spending only 3 euros on operating costs. That leaves a total net profit of 446 euros for the month. Not bad at all. I also kept experimenting with new ideas, which is something I want the channel to be about. Not just talking about side hustles, but actually testing them. Now let's see where the money came from. Once again, 3D printing takes the number one spot. This month I redeemed Creality Cloud points for free filament and 3 filament dryers. Instead of keeping the dryers, I sold them on my local marketplace. That's one of the things I love about this side hustle. Sometimes you're not only earning money directly, you also receive rewards that can be converted into cash. It's still my best performing side hustle by a comfortable margin. Second place goes to Upwork. I still have a couple of recurring clients, which means I don't have to constantly search for new work. Every month these projects bring in a steady profit, and I really appreciate having that consistency. Tools rental had an excellent month, actually much better than my usual average. I rent out equipment that would otherwise just sit in storage, and June happened to be a busy month. It's another reminder that you don't always know which side hustle is going to perform best. Udemy quietly keeps doing its thing. A few course sales came in during June and adding another 32 euros to the total. I also published several new courses recently, so I'm curious to see whether they will start generating sales over the next few months. This month I also tested clipping through Whop. I joined ClipHaus, created short clips for TikTok, and CapCut's handle most of the editing. For my first week, I earned 25 euros. It's not a huge amount, but considering how little time I invested, I think it's worth testing further. And finally, my iPhone apps. This month they generated one subscription worth 2 euros and 30 cents. Not exactly retirement money, but every product starts somewhere, and I'll keep improving them to see whether they gain traction over time. So overall, I'm really happy with June. Total revenue 450 euros. 3D printing continues to dominate. Upwork remains a reliable income source. Tool rentals had one of their strongest months, and I got to experiment with a completely new side hustle through clipping. Now it's time to see what July brings. Hopefully a few new winners, and maybe my apps can make more than 2 euros next month. If you've been working on your own side hustles this month, let me know in the comments. I genuinely like to hear what's been working for you.